Hi guys, how can you create the Chrome Liquify effect in Photoshop like this? First, select the ellipse tool from the Shapes panel. Change the shape color from black to white. Now open blending options. Go to Gradient Overlay. Choose any colors you like. For this effect, I'm using an orange-based gradient. Set the first color to soft yellow. Add orange mixed with red in the middle. And finish with a light yellow color at the end. You can note the color codes if you want. Press OK. Make sure all the gradient overlay settings are enabled properly. Next, go to Bevel and Emboss. Turn it on and adjust the settings. Depth around 53. Size around 43. Angle 90 degrees. Altitude around 30 degrees. Now go to Gloss Contour and select Ring Double. Adjust the lighting. Highlight opacity around 89. Shadow opacity around 81. Leave the remaining settings as they are. Now go to Contour, enable it, select this contour and press OK. After that, select the eraser tool. If Photoshop shows a notification, just allow it and press OK. Now gently remove parts from the middle area to create the Liquify shine. Press Ctrl+T, then choose Warp. Drag and bend the shape however you like to create the liquid chrome look. That's it. Zoom in and check the details. The effect looks smooth, glossy, and realistic.